Chapter 1. A Small Town. Anna is a young woman. She is 26 years old. She lives in a big, noisy city. The city is always busy. There are many cars, many people, and many tall buildings. Anna works in an office. Every day, she sits at a desk and looks at a computer. She feels tired all the time. She does not like her job, but she needs money. One evening, Anna comes home very late. She cooks a simple dinner and sits on her bed. She feels lonely. She thinks, "Is this my life forever?" Anna looks at an old photo on her phone. It is a picture of a small town near a river. She remembers this place. The town is called Rivertown. Her grandmother lived there many years ago. Anna smiles a little. "Maybe I need a change," she says quietly. Chapter 2. A Big Decision. The next morning, Anna wakes up early. She feels different. She feels brave. At work, she talks to her friend Mark. "I want to leave the city," Anna says. Mark looks surprised. "Leave the city? Why?" "I want a quiet life," Anna says. "I want fresh air and kind people." Mark smiles. "That sounds nice, but it is not easy." Anna knows this. But she also knows one thing. She is not happy now. That night, Anna packs a small bag. She buys a bus ticket to Rivertown. Her heart beats fast. "This is my new start," she says. Chapter 3. The Journey. The bus leaves early in the morning. Anna sits near the window. She watches the city disappear. Soon there are trees, fields, and small houses. The air feels clean. Anna breathes deeply. After 3 hours, the bus stops. "Rivertown," the driver says. Anna steps off the bus. The town is small and quiet. There is a river, a bridge, and many old houses. People walk slowly. Some people smile at her. Anna feels calm. "This place feels good," she thinks. Chapter 4. A New Home. Anna finds a small guest house. The owner is an older woman named Mrs. Green. "Welcome," Mrs. Green says kindly. "Are you visiting or staying?" "I want to stay," Anna says. "Maybe for a long time," Mrs. Green smiles. "That is nice. Rivertown is a good place." The room is small, but clean. Anna puts her bag on the bed and looks out the window. She sees the river shining in the sun. That night, Anna sleeps very well. Chapter 5. New People. The next day, Anna walks around the town. She goes to a small cafe near the river. The cafe is warm and quiet. A young man works there. His name is Leo. "Good morning," Leo says. "What would you like?" "Tea, please," Anna says. Leo smiles. "You are new here, right?" "Yes," Anna says. "I just arrived yesterday." "Welcome to Rivertown," Leo says. "I hope you like it here." Anna feels happy. People are friendly. Chapter 6. Looking for work. Anna needs a job. After breakfast, she looks for work in the town. She sees a small bookstore with a sign, "Help Wanted." Anna goes inside. The shop smells like old books. A man with glasses looks up. "Can I help you?" he asks. "Yes," Anna says. "I'm looking for a job." The man smiles. "My name is Mr. Brown. Can you work with books?" "Yes," Anna says quickly. "I love books. You can start tomorrow," Mr. Brown says. Anna cannot believe it. "Thank you," she says. "Thank you very much." Chapter 7. A Simple Life. Days pass. Anna works in the bookstore. She cleans shelves, helps customers, and reads in her free time. In the evenings, she walks by the river. Sometimes she goes to the cafe and talks with Leo. Her life is simple now. She wakes up early, works, eats good food, and sleeps well. One night, Anna calls Mark. "I am happy," she says. Mark laughs. "I am glad to hear that." Chapter 8. A Problem. One rainy day, the bookstore is very quiet. Mr. Brown looks worried. "Business is slow," he says. I may close the shop. Anna feels sad. She loves this place. Maybe we can help, Anna says. Mr. Brown looks at her. How? Anna thinks carefully. We can have reading nights, she says. People can come, read, and drink tea. Mr. Brown smiles. That is a good idea. Chapter 9. A new idea. Anna talks to Leo about the idea. That sounds great, Leo says. I can make tea and snacks. They put posters around town. Reading night, every Friday. On Friday evening, people come. Young people, old people, families. The shop is full. Anna reads a short story. Leo brings tea. People clap and smile. The bookstore feels alive. Chapter 10. Feeling at home. Weeks pass. Reading night becomes popular. The bookstore stays open. Mr. Brown is very thankful. You saved my shop, he says to Anna. Anna shakes her head. We did it together. Anna looks around Rivertown. She knows now. This is her home. She left the noisy city. She found peace, friends, and purpose. Anna smiles as she walks by the river. Sometimes, a new start is the best choice. Ending message for learners. Thank you for listening. This story shows that change can be good. Simple life can bring happiness.